If you own a classic muscle car, you know the OE wiper systems are unreliable and can fail when needed most, just like this morning on Cody's drive-in in the rain. The Detroit Speed Wiper Kit not only offers a high and low speed setting, but also 5 intermittent delays, as well as a push button feature for your washer pump. My name is Dan Oddie. Today we're going to show you how to install the Detroit Speed Wiper Kit and washer pump kit on Cody's 1968 Camaro. Disconnect the battery power by removing the negative battery lead from the battery. Mark the position of the wiper arms by placing masking tape on the windshield. This will assure the arms are accurately replaced. Remove the wiper arms from the vehicle using a wiper arm removal tool. Remove the washer spray nozzles and cowl panel from the vehicle by removing the screws in the cowl panel. Unplug the factory wiring connectors from the wiper motor. Disconnect the wiper linkage from the wiper motor Pittman arm and remove the stock wiper motor from the firewall. Mount the new wiper motor assembly to the firewall with the 3 supplied 1032 by 3/4 inch long stainless steel Allen screws. The adapter plate will mount to the firewall using the original wiper motor weld nuts in the firewall. Attach the new Pittman arm to the original wiper linkage. Keep in mind that the Selecta-Speed wiper kit is shipped with the Pittman arm in the parked position. Do not move the Pittman arm by hand to attach the wiper linkage. If the Pittman arm is moved from the preset position, it may result in the wiper blades stopping in the wrong spot on the windshield. The SelectaSpeed switch will replace the stock switch. For a 1968 Camaro, removing the switch can be simplified by removing the Astor vent below the switch. Remove the wiper knob from the switch by loosening the set screw with a flat blade screwdriver. Unthread and remove the switch nut from the switch, followed by removing the wiper switch bezel from the dash. The wiper switch can then be removed from the dash through the Astor vent opening. Remove the wiper switch connector and tie up the original wiring under the dash if desired. Remove the hex nut and star washer from the DSE wiper switch. Cut out the provided switch mounting template from the instructions and place it over the existing wiper switch hole in the dash. Make sure the arrow is pointed up at the 12 o'clock position. Mark the center of the unshaded circle on the template onto the dash at the 3 o'clock position. Remove the template and drill a 5/32 hole in the dash to accommodate the anti-rotation tab on the DSE switch. Install the DSE wiper switch in the dash. Make sure the anti-rotation tab on the switch passes through the hole in the dash that you just drilled. Thread the provided switch bezel onto the wiper switch. Tighten the bezel by hand to hold the switch in place on the dash. Loosen the set screw and provided wiper knob. Slide the wiper knob onto the shaft of the switch. Align the set screw with the flat on the switch and tighten. Locate the brake pedal support bracket spanning from the brake pedal assembly to the steering column support attachment. Mock up the module and mounting plate. Locate the bolt holes on the support bracket with a marker or scribe. Drill 2 5/16 diameter holes in the brake pedal support bracket. Slide the 1/4 inch 20 U-nuts onto the support bracket. Mount the module plate with the provided 1/4 inch 20 bolts and washers through the 5/16 drilled holes and 1/4 inch 20 U-nuts on the support bracket. For vehicles equipped with the DSE headlight kit, the wiper module and the headlight module can be installed using the same mounting plate. To do this, remove the headlight mounting plate with the module from the vehicle. Now, remove both modules from their mounting plates. Mount both modules back to back with one of the mounting plates between them. Use the provided 832 hardware to secure them in place. Do not over-tighten. Mount the module plate with the provided 1/4 inch 20 bolts and washers through the 5/16 drilled holes and the 1/4 inch 20 U-nuts on the support bracket. Reconnect the headlight wiring harness to the headlight module, making sure the wire colors match up. Route the wiper motor connector side of the wiring harness through the firewall using an existing hole. You may need to open up the diameter of this hole using a 1 1/4 inch drill bit or unibit in order to allow the wiper motor connector to pass through the firewall. Move the grommet on the loom and install it into the firewall to seal the engine compartment from inside the vehicle. Install the wiper motor connector to the wiper motor. Plug in the wiper switch and the wiring harness connectors into the wiper control module. Reinstall the Astor vent into the dash. Connect the yellow wire under the dash to a 12-volt ignition or accessory switch source. Keep in mind, the circuit is active when the key is in the run position. This lead is applied with an inline 30-amp ATO fuse. Connect the black wire with the round eyelet to a ground under the dash. Make sure a proper ground is obtained by removing any rust or paint from the metal. If you have purchased the DSE windshield washer pump kit, locate the new washer pump within 20 inches of your reservoir. The washer pump can be mounted in any direction, however upright is preferred. For best results, the new pump should be mounted no higher than the reservoir. The washer pump is a non-submersible pump. Use the provided hose to go between the bottom inlet nozzle of the pump and the reservoir. Connect the hose going to the windshield spray nozzles to the output nozzle on the side of the washer pump. Run the hose along the inside of the driver's side fender to the firewall. Plug the included T-connector into the hose. Connect each end of the T-connector to the spray nozzle hoses. Connect the weather pack connector on the wiring harness to the weather pack connector on the washer pump. Reinstall the cowl panel along with the washer spray nozzles. Reinstall the wiper arms so they line back up with the masking tape on the windshield. Reconnect the negative battery lead and test the wiper system. Upon a successful test, the conversion is now complete. Thanks for watching our installation video on the DetroitSpeed wiper kit and washer pump kit. We hope this video helped you upgrade your wiper system, and you'll be happy to know that Cody will be safe on the road in the rain. If you have any questions, please call us at 704-662-3272 or send us an email at sales@detroitspeed.com. You can also visit our website at detroitspeed.com, and don't forget to like and follow us on social media. We'll see you next time.